Hey everyone, welcome! In this Cobo wallet review, I'll share my personal experience. Find product links below. Cobo wallet is a non-custodial crypto wallet for both mobile and hardware. It's known for advanced security and supports over 2,000 cryptocurrencies, perfect for casual users and serious investors. With multi-asset support, secure storage, and a seamless user experience, Cobo wallet meets the needs of anyone managing digital assets. One standout feature is its broad multi-asset support. Store everything from Bitcoin and Ethereum to lesser-known altcoins. This flexibility lets you manage a diverse portfolio within a single wallet. In my experience, the interface is clean and intuitive, simplifying sending, receiving, and managing crypto. Multiple language support makes it accessible globally. Security is a major focus. Cobo wallet offers hardware wallet support for enhanced protection, keeping private keys offline and safe from online threats. Advanced multi-signature support and biometric authentication add extra security layers. Backups are straightforward, and you can restore your wallet on another device, offering peace of mind against loss or theft. Cobo wallet is designed for security-conscious users who want an easy way to manage multiple cryptocurrencies. It's ideal for those seeking both software and hardware wallet solutions in one ecosystem, combining flexibility and robust security. Cobo wallet delivers on security and ease of use. With strong multi-asset support and robust safety features, it's great for crypto investors and traders. For more details and to download, check the links below.